Our solar system was profoundly shaped by the chaotic collisions and bombardments that marked its earliest days. But as the planets finally eased into stable orbits 3.8 billion years ago, new threats arose. And in some cases, they were as bad as anything bearing down from outer space.
Catastrophes in the solar system didn't end with the era of late heavy bombardment. There have been catastrophes since that time. Asteroids and comets can pummel into planets. Rampant volcanism can occur on planets. There are all sorts of ways in which catastrophes can occur on planets.
The next disaster gave one of the planets an ill-fated facelift that left it with the most towering blemish in the solar system. Number 4 on our countdown to the solar system's worst disaster, the Mars super eruptions. The Mars Express spacecraft recently revealed that the red planet has been ravaged at least 5 times by episodes of catastrophic volcanism, giving Mars a unique complexion unlike anything else in the solar system.
In some respects, the shield volcanoes on Mars are similar to some volcanoes here on Earth, such as at Hawaii. You've got a large magma chamber beneath the surface that's erupting lots of lava onto the surface, creating the volcano. However, on Mars, these types of volcanoes are 10 to 100 times larger than they are on Earth. So all across the planet, you've got these eruption events that are occurring here, and then here, and then here, and over time, sort of the whole surface gets filled in with this lava.
Mars is home to about 20 major volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the largest in the solar system. This towering relic provides an eerie glimpse into the planet's fiery past.
When we look at Mars's geologic record, we can tell how old things are by looking at how many craters are on the surface. If the surface is relatively young, then there has been relatively little time for craters to build up, and so we see a surface that's largely flat and unmarred. If a surface is very old, then we see large numbers of craters. And so through crater dating and through careful mapping of the Martian surface, it looks like there were perhaps 5 very major episodes of volcanic activity on Mars.
Just as with shield volcanoes on Earth, magma chambers rose to the surface of Mars, broke through, and spewed basaltic lava in centuries-long eruptions. But there was a key difference between Earth's shield volcanoes and the behemoths on Mars.
On Mars, there was never large-scale plate tectonics of the type that we have on Earth. And so in Mars, when a volcano gets going, it just sits there and keeps piling lava out and out and out and builds up enormous shield volcanoes like Olympus Mons.
On Earth, there's plate tectonics. So, for example, the volcanic islands of Hawaii are in a chain because the plate is moving north, the hot spot is relatively fixed, and new islands keep on popping up. But on Mars, it's the same island all the time, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Massive volcanism radically changed the surface of Mars time and time again. But it wasn't the only terrestrial planet that fell victim to episodes of extreme homegrown violence.